Hello YouTubers, Omega18K here. Today I have a pack opening today, random pack opening actually. I get my packs from Argos, and they give you 3 packs of Photon Shockwave, and they give you a bonus one. So, and sometimes they're sometimes really random. So basically I got myself not one, but I've got 2. So I've got 6 Photon Shockwave and 2 Starstrike Blast. So we'll open these ones first, and then we'll open the Photon Shockwave. Not really expecting anything, because me being me, my luck's very terrible. Alright, I have to get up for this one. Alright. Chain Dog. Good. I was going to do this on my camera, but there was no point, because, it'd take ages. Swift Scarecrow. Nice. What done by Karakuri Field Spell. Not really that good. Ooh, nice Warhopper. Now, I got myself some packs yesterday, and I actually pulled not bad packs. Not bad cards. I got Burrito. Oh, sorry, not Burrito. Ure, which is not for trade. And a Thunder and Dragon, but can't get everything that you want. Let's see. I don't know if you know these cards. But, I think you see them. Exceed Teleporter. I thought my luck would end here, because if you guys haven't seen all my videos, I have very bad luck. Let's see. I don't know what that is. Why does it always do that when I do my videos? Evolves Volco, or whatever it's called. I'll skip the commons, let's just go to the rare. The Wind Up Night. There I go. No hollows yet. Involves Pitta. Another rare. Well, that's one day a piece. Photon Booster. Shit. Right, last pack. Nice beers, man. Super. Wind Up Hunter. Oh, that is terrible. Out of 8 packs, 1 super. Now Wind Up Hunter. Well, I think you guys should understand. I think you guys should just comment about how unlucky I am, because that is unlucky. Oh, gotta love that smell. Yu-Gi-Oh cards, but 1 super. Thumbs down this video, man. Thumbs it down. It's terrible. I never pull. That is the worst pack opening ever. But anyway, see you later, guys.